Welcome back, folks. Check it out. This is a 795 down starting car. This is for folks that don't have good credit, rebuilding credit, divorce, bankruptcy, repossession. We can help you. 795 starting down, 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour your time. Super nice little Focus, folks. It's a SE with auxiliary line in, USB port, hands-free Bluetooth calling, streaming audio, and it's clean, folks. It's like brand spanking new inside and out, fully serviced and safety inspected. This car also gets a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline. Ready to go, and we're ready to sell. That's the Das Cleveland Way. Come on down. 5333 Lorraine Avenue, corner of 53rd and Lorraine. See ya.